A passenger in the Paris metro had her wallet stolen right under her nose. When she realized it, she immediately confronted the group of pickpockets and even tried to search their bags. But it was already too late. These pickpockets work in teams and their hands move faster than you can blink. By the time she reacted, the wallet had already been passed to another member who walked away like nothing happened. The woman was shouting, angry, very upset, and devastated. But there was nothing left to recover. A hard lesson learned. In busy cities like Paris, pickpockets don't always look suspicious. Some blend in like ordinary commuters. They move quietly, strategically, and quickly. Always stay alert. Always secure your bags. A second of distractions is all they need. Atensyon ni pickpocket! Atensyon pickpocket! Atensyon ni...